This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for Lids, Lashes, and Lips. It focuses on the lids, lashes, and lips, but in fact, I use this for my whole face. And I love this size here, this little 1.7 ounce size for travel. I've got another one here too as a backup. This is great. This is great because it's got that child-proof cap, so I can feel secure about it when I travel. Of course, they do come in the bigger sizes, but I have a small apartment too, and I really appreciate these small sizes, so I can buy a bunch of them. It's probably more expensive that way, but then the ones I'm not using, I can put in a basket or put away for now, and then I'm using less space on my countertop. So this stuff is great because it's not too oily, and I don't know, the formula in here is just really sort of gentle, and I like it. What can I say? It does what it says it's going to do and more. And of course, it's from a reputable cosmetic brand, Clinique, which is famous for not having too many nasty ingredients in it. So I trust it. And my mother has been using this for ages. She's the one who recommended it to me. So I'm passing that recommendation on to you. Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for Lids, Lashes, and Lips. Highly recommend it.